Yeah, okay. Encapsulation, right? As you already presented one program here. Okay, fine. Before that, let me explain what actually a encapsulation here.
Okay.
Encapsulation, it is uh, like hello.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it is actually, you can say, a concept of bundling the data.
Okay.
Okay, in terms of attributes and methods. Hope you can see, you already presented one example program here. So, a class A.
Mm.
Okay, A, it is an, I can consider it as a single unit. In that single unit, which contains a method, different methods and attributes.
Okay.
Okay, that is what actually we call it as an encapsulation, because we are bundling the different methods and attributes as a class, as a single unit. That is what the encapsulation. Okay, which involves restricting direct access to some of the like other object components also, and we can control accessing through other methods. You can able to see.
Okay.
Okay, first let me explain the concepts which involve in encapsulation.
Okay.
Three major things we should know, that is a private attributes, accessor methods,
Okay.
accessor methods. So, and public methods, we know that public method already.
Okay.
Okay, private attributes, nothing but as in the last video you can able to understand what is that access specifier, like private access specifiers. Sorry. Excuse me.
Yeah.
uh shall I continue?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, access specifier where we can going to present with the prefix underscore, double underscore,
Okay.
and which are not accessible directly from the outside of the classes.
Okay.
Okay, in the example, you can define like there is a constructor, right?
Yeah.
In the constructor you mentioned self dot double underscore name equals to name. That is an actually a private attribute now.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and in that another function, in the function name called display,
Yeah, okay.
you return the private attribute.
Okay.
Okay, just keep this in your mind. Let me go for another concept as already mentioned, that is accessor methods.
Okay.
Accessor methods are getter and setters.
Okay.
Okay, getter and setter, you
Mm-hmm.
can able to see in a function called the display.
Yeah.
Okay, you just what you have done, you return that private attribute like self dot double underscore name.
Yeah.
You are trying to retrieve the data, that's it.
Yes. Okay.
Means whatever data, because you created one object called name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for the class A, and you try to print hello world.
Yeah.
So what is the data? Hello world. You
Yes.
are just retrieving the data which is hello world, and you just wanted to print it, that you can able to print. So in the first line you can able to see hello world,
Yeah.
because you are trying to retrieve the data which is getters.
Okay.
Okay, getter method. And in the second method like display one,
Yeah.
okay, you the parameter is self comma age.
Yeah.
So setter, what exactly the setter is going to do is, we can able to that method which is going to allow external code to modify whatever the value of the private attribute. See,
Okay.
now in the display we done return self name,
Okay.
and in that object we pass the message called hello world. So
Okay.
the reason in the first line it got print hello world.
Yeah.
Now again I wanted to change that private attribute value.
Mm-hmm.
For that, For that, we need to use a method called setter method.
Okay.
Setter in the terms of, you are going to change, you are going to modify the value of private attribute. You
Okay.
can able to see in the line number 16 what you have done. Object, that is name dot display one, you call that setter method, and there is a parameter called age. You just wanted to modify age equals to 25.
Okay.
Okay. And in the line number 17 you done, you are declare like in the variable called age equals to name dot display. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Which method you called here? Name dot.
Display first method I called.
What is that? Getter one.
Yeah, getter one.
In the display one, age equals to 25 means you are trying to modify the private attribute, and age equals to name dot display, you are trying to retrieve the data means getter method. You just printed changes in the code, like whatever the changes, whatever the modified data, comma age. In age, what is going to you are going to get the data, that is
It's
whichever
25.
you modified 25.
Okay, okay. What here my question is like, see here first time you are display the same display method, it is display the hello world. Whatever it is returning value, we are passing that one display. And second times we are display one, we have changed the values. Okay, that value it is displaying again. We are display use. How it is work? I am not get this point.
Sorry?
Here you are display 1, you are change the value 25, but here you again call display, not for display 1 method we not called. How it is work I need.
Let me
Okay, okay,
explain.
okay.
Suppose your question is good. Name dot display one, in
Yeah.
that age equals to 25. You modified. Just if you go to the display one method, there is that, like you assigned self dot double underscore name equals to age.
Okay,
That is a private attribute. That private attribute which is there in a above function display also.
okay, fine.
uh, that is actually a private attribute. In the
Okay,
first message, in the first function which is display, there is a private attribute you just printed. Again, for the same private attribute, if you see self dot double underscore name only you gave, you
yeah,
didn't give any other one. Okay.
yeah.
You just gave private attribute only. You are assigning the age equals to the particular private attributed one. You are modifying then, the private attribute value only you are modifying.
Modifying, yes. Okay,
So for that we need to call, because why we are calling that display? Because it is a getter method, you are going to retrieve the data. Only we can able to use display one because we are modifying it. It not means you are going to print it. If you want to print it means we are going to call the display function.
okay. This is a getter method. See, display first, display is a getter method. This is a setter method. Means display one is a setter method, right?
Correct, correct.
But real time where we are using this functionalities encapsulation, any idea? Like how we are any programmatically means like in real times.
Yeah, real time generally you can consider, same I can give car example, or yeah, one company, if you
Mm-hmm.
consider any one IT company,
Mm-hmm.
IT company or something company, there will be a different verticals you can consider. Okay.
Okay.
Account department will be there, or some sales will be there, some finance will be there. Okay.
Okay.
All sections have to play their own work, because
Mm-hmm.
if suppose if finance section want to handle finance work, the company and other sales function sections also maintain the sales work of the company. You are trying to understand what I'm exactly
Yes, yes.
trying to say.
Yes, some different branch is there, but it is displaying only one company name only. Correct?
Correct.
That's is why we are using this encapsulation.
Correct.
Okay.
That is
I,
what class A is a single unit. In that
Yes.
single unit, all the things are got bundled up.
Bundle. Okay. Yeah, fine. I understand. Yeah.